just want to show you quite quick. Okay, we have people who bought on Tuesday here. Okay, these people were given profits, let's say Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday they were closed. They started collapsing. This is them taking their money back from who? From everybody who bought here. So if those people who bought here never close their profits here, because you need to know that at some point they will show you that they are ready to reverse. How do they show you? Whenever they say we don't want to give you profits anymore, you know that everybody who bought on this close was never allowed to get any profits. And market structure, they're now breaking the lows, because when they are going up, you realize they are breaking the highs. Okay, they are breaking the highs, right? They're breaking the highs, and yes, they are breaking the highs. You can see here they broke the high. So if we count, they broke, okay, sorry, if we are to count, you realize that they broke the high here, they broke the high here, and they eventually broke the high here. But all of a sudden they come and break the low. Oh, you know you're in danger. Okay, so it's very important to move your stops. Move your stops every time they make a peak low. You move your stops to the peak low. Every time they make a peak low, you move your stops to the peak low. And the day they break the last peak low, it's fine. You got profits from here and you closed here. Okay, yes, this part they took back, but it's okay. That's how you are actually sure, because they can keep going up and you can keep making more. But the moment they break this peak low, just know you're in danger, because they're coming back for you. That's why now they closed everybody. And by the way, when you're buying here, where do you put your stops? You put your stops down here. Okay, you put your stops you put your stops down here. All right, when you put your stops down here, when they're coming back, they're coming for your stops. That's why I say I don't want to initiate a move, because I know the deception these guys employ every now and then. Okay, so everybody who fell for this fake move is actually closed. So now I know there are people who fell for this fake move downwards. Okay, and the moment they break the low, that's why I have this pink highlighted box every single day. The moment they take money from these guys, that's when I want to be going long. All right, and I knew yesterday that this move was gonna go up and up and up, and it actually went 440 points up. But this is how you know who is in profit now. Everybody from the high of the week is in profit. Everybody from this high is in profit. So now it's a matter of them deciding how far they want to go, because even people who sold here, they are in profit. Okay, these ones have been closed. These ones have been closed right now. Only those whose stops are here, who actually sold here, are in profit. And people are greedy. They think this move is going to keep going down, down, down. Guys, it's deception. It's deception. Okay, for a step-by-step video on how to actually follow this strategy, follow this channel over here. I have a lot of videos where I've outlined all these setups in detail.